Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, thanks a lot for all the love and support. Thanks a lot, thanks a ton, thanks a million. I have received so many beautiful and lovely messages. Because yes, during the US session video, okay, we talked about few levels and those levels work perfectly. Okay, so anyways, I'm extremely happy that you all made good profit. So now let's look at the market. So this is a 1 hour chart of DXY, and as you can see that as per our expectation, DXY reversed from this particular resistance of 106.65. And as you can see, DXY right now standing at 106.25 with a big red candle. You must understand one thing very well, that we do not have any immediate support on the chart of DXY. Okay, logical support. The next support is around 105.30 that we talked in our previous videos. 105.30 is the next support and it is quite far away. And this time market should be breaking 105.30 and it will be heading towards 105 level. Okay, but as of now, though DXY has formed a big red candle, we do not have any proper logical support on the chart. Okay, and in case during the day if you see market going up, then I think this time market will break 106.65 and it will head towards 107 level. This will be the next target for DXY. Okay, but as of now market is going for correction. Let's wait and watch. Now let's have a look at the chart of gold. So you can see that today I have drawn many levels. So probably you have understood one thing very well, that in this chart, okay, three levels are playing a big role. First of all, 1785.86, which is quite far away and looks untouched, okay, and will remain untouched this week. I think so. Anyways, this is the big resistance as of now. The big support is around 1720 to 27, and the next resistance is around 1763.50, 1767.50 that we have been talking for the last couple of days, and we saw a sharp rejection yesterday from this level. So this resistance zone is still very much valid. In case during the day if you see market going up, then yes, there is a high chance that market will be reversing from this level. And looking at the present size of the green candles, okay, looking at the present size of the green candles, I don't think so that you should be looking for any minor selling opportunities around here. Okay, see, this is market. Yesterday it was a good market, you all made good money. Not every day is same. Okay, a trader needs to be very much flexible. If I draw the Fibonacci also, then also I'm not getting the confidence here. So as a result, I'll just request everyone that if possible, try to take a sell position only at the resistance of 1763 to 1767. Okay. If you see market going up and reversing, then only take a sell position around this level. Otherwise, you can simply avoid while market is here. See, you don't need to trade on each and every level. Okay. Yes, we do have a minor resistance around 1751, but yes, one thing also we must understand, that every level has got some strength. And looking at the present green candle, okay, I don't think so 1751 52 will be able to hold the market. Let's wait and watch. But on the chart of gold right now, I think 1734 to 1735, okay, this level also has the potential of providing support to the market before 1722. If market comes down, okay, listen to me carefully, if you see market falling below 1740 level, if you see market falling below this level, you can take a quick sell position for 30-40 pips, because immediate support is available at 1734 level, 1734 to 1735. If market comes to this level and bounces, you can click on the buy button, because yes, high chance of market taking support and bouncing from 34, 35 level. If you see market coming to this level and forming a hammer pattern or bullish engulfing pattern, you can go for a buy position. Again, I'll say the same thing, that if not trend reversal, at least you can expect a profit of 30 to 40 pips easily if market takes support. Otherwise, in case of a heavy sale during the day, okay, then only reliable support level is 1722 to 1727. So on the chart of gold, the reliable levels for the day are 1763 to 67 as the resistance, where you can expect a reversal and you can consider taking a sell position. And on the other hand, you can look for a buy around 1734, 1735 level that I have added today. And in case this level also fails, okay, due to extreme selling pressure, then your big buy will be around 1720 to 23 level. This is the next big support, or the biggest support on the chart of gold right now. So only 3 trading opportunities that I'm giving you for the day right now. Okay, because see, not every day is same, so you must be very, very flexible as well with the market. Okay, do not gamble with the hard-earned money. And whatever you do, please follow proper risk management. This is my analysis. I can be wrong as well, isn't it? No trader is 100% accurate after all. Okay. And my dear friends, as you all know, only 3 days left for the Forex Hero Masterclass, the world's most affordable Forex trading workshop that I conduct in both Hindi and English. दोनों language में होता है. So my dear friends, if you're really serious about Forex trading, if you really love my work, then you can consider joining the Forex Hero Masterclass, the 3 days workshop. I have also shared my story so that you can understand that nothing is impossible in the market. These are the benefits, okay, that you'll be receiving after the workshop. Everything is mentioned on the website. Feel free to join if you're really serious about Forex market. Bye bye, take care.